Hello guys, this is the second class of core Java computer course, Java programming by Danish. The first one editors like VS Code, Notepad, Notepad++, and so on. The second type IDE, integrated development environment like Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ, and so on. That's the IDE project. First of all, how to run a Java code by CMD. We go to the first of all we click on Windows key plus Windows plus R key, type Notepad. This is a Notepad editor. Java code class test public static void main string arguments system dot out dot print hello. This is a simple Java code. I add Control S and go to desktop. And desktop I create new folder. My file test.java. We change the extension. When I go to CMD, type CMD and go to change directory, cd main change directory desktop. Now I am the desktop. Change directory my files. I want to compile this code. Compilation process. What happened when Java file created? When we create a Java file, what happened? I create one file test.java or file.java. It contains high-level code which is similar to English. I create a file test.java. It is simple English language. This is high-level code. Compiler, what to do? Compiler change this code to machine code. When we compile this file, a machine code, this file having bytecode, a binary code. The Java compiler translates Java programs into a language called Java bytecode. Although bytecode is similar to machine learning or the intermediate language between high level and low level. When we compile a Java file, this will be created a new file.class. That is a bytecode, a binary code, same to machine code. What is JVM is the intermediate language between high level and low level. Interpreter, what to do? Interpret. A Java interpreter is used to run the file.class. When we compile the file.java or test.java or .java file, the compiler created the new file .class extension, java.class extension, or the compiler created to other .class file. It contains a bytecode. The interpreter used for run this .class and convert to native language is fine up. When we create this file, we convert it. I create this .java file. When I open this file in the desktop, I create my file. That is my file folder. When I open this test.java, I create this file test.java in this folder. When I compile this file, type java c test.java. We don't error in the code. The compilation process is completely successful because we don't error in the code. We look test.java. When we compile this file, we create new file test.java, test.class. That's the new file. When I open this file and create a mistake in this file, now I compile this file again. Test.java line 4 error expected system.out error. Whether system.out push the semicolon and 1 year. In this file, I have 1 after this sentence at semicolon in the end of this line. But I do that. I paste this file again at semicolon save. When I run this file again, Now in this file no error. Now I want to run this test.class and show the output and see the output on the CMD. When interpreter run the file.class file, the test.class file, and find the output of this file. How to run Java? Then just type the name of this file. Don't add the .class extension. Just Java test. Run. The file is run. Say hello. This is not done.